Hi everyone, it's Alyssa and today I'm going to show you how to make a braid up bun. The skills needed for this style are a Dutch braid and a basic bun. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to begin at the bottom of our neck and start with a basic Dutch braid. Stop adding in hair when you get past your ears. Use a loose pony to tie up the braid. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure to check out more hairstyles at Braid Inspiration on Instagram. Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out my video at Braids by Alyssa. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new tutorials and check out all my other social media platforms located in the description below.